my friend, this is Kiki from China. Good morning. Now I'm in the workshop. I will go to show you what we are doing and how we make the winding, okay? So let's go to check it. Hello my friend. Okay, you can check here. This is the ready stator. Okay. Check here. Hello all my friends, thank you for watching. This is the Dongchun Motor Company in China. Now we are working in the workshop, and now I show you how we make the winding for the 3-phase motor. You can check the silicon lamination and also our copper wire. Thank you my friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you for like our video. You can check what we are doing and how we're making and how about the quality of our motor. You also can check the 100% copper wire and also our silicon lamination. You can check the quality. Okay. Thank you my friend. This is the Dongchun Motor in China. Now I'm showing you how we make the winding, and that is 100% copper wire in our company, and also the silicon lamination is called silicon lamination. You can check the quality. You also can check here. You can check here is the PTC. Here is the PTC. Hello my friend. Thank you for watching here. Welcome my friend. If you have any inquiry, you can just let me know. You can leave me a message. Okay. Hello my friends, thank you for watching. This is Kiki from China. So just now I show you how we make the winding. So now let's go to check how we make assembling for the motor, okay? So let's go to check here. Okay. Okay, now you can check here. We are assembling the 3-phase motor with aluminum frame. You can check here. Here is 100% copper wire, and you can check here also. Okay. Hello my friend, thank you for watching. And you also can check here the foot, all the foot here is mirrored. You also can check all these parts. Okay. So now let's go to check here. It's a 3-phase motor, 1 horsepower with aluminum frame. You can check our shaft. It's closed here. And here is the screw. So to check here, check motor with the shaft, the closed key. The stator inside. You also can check here the motor, 0.25 kilowatt 4-pole. Okay my friend, thank you for watching. This is Kiki from China. We are Dongchun Motor Company. If you have any inquiry, please just let me know by email or message, okay? You also can leave me message on Facebook. So let's go to check my name card. Okay, you can check here. This is our catalog and also my name card. You can check. Logo is Dongchun, is our company logo. And here is my name, Kiki Liu, and also our company name, our address in China, telephone number, and also my cell phone number. You can add for WeChat or WhatsApp. Also welcome to send me email and visit our website for more information. You also can scan this QR code to save all information in your mobile at just 1 minute. Okay, my friend Kiki from China, thank you for watching today. See you next time. Bye bye.